Hi everyone, Paul Morbid of Morbid Game Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So it's time to do some TLC on my Fujica Single-8 Z800. I've got the parts here. They've just fallen off through the years, but the previous owner did provide them. So I'm going to glue this part back on right here, and I've got it there. So I'm going to flip it around, add some of this glue that works quite well for film and other things. It's from China, obviously. Just put just a touch on here, and that should do it. Okay. Alright. Now the trick is getting this on there without getting glue on myself. I'll get it set to 36 frames per second. And that's what we're going to put this on, align it with, basically. Because mostly I got this camera for using it at 36 frames per second. Okay, so actually this glue right here dries in about 15 seconds or less. Alright, I'll just hold it there just a touch, which it's probably already dried. Good enough. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is here with the access to the external motor. Okay, there's a cap that unscrews and has threads on it, as you can see, but from the previous owner, whatever they kind of slight accident they had, it got chipped off in here. Okay, so there's no more thread. So what I'm going to have to do is just put a piece of tape on it. I doubt I'll really be using it that much, or if any at all. Okay, because I use something else. But if I ever do come across that recorder that came with it for the sync sound down here, it'd be interesting to use it. One thing I do want to go show you before we cap up the external motor access right here is that this is what it looks like when you press the shutter button. You'll see it spin around. Okay, so that's it. Now let's cap it up. Okay, so really just about the only thing I can do is do a quick fix on this. And it may not sound very appealing, but it's really about the only thing you can do besides changing the part of the body of this camera, which is more than it's worth. Okay, so I'll take this part here, which previously had the threads on it, cap it on top of that. Alright, and just have a piece of tape and put it on top of there. That's really about the extent that can be done with that. You do want to make sure you cover this, okay? And even on these corners right here where my pencil eraser is, and I'm going to put another piece of tape over this to cover that. And the reason why is, if you're in a region like I am, which is very dusty, okay, you don't want dust getting inside of this and inside of the camera and the workings itself, and the mechanics and the electronics. That can cause a lot of issues, as we are all sure of. I'll cut another piece of that and put it on there in just a moment. And if you're thinking, if you have some gaffing tape like this and you want to put that over there, okay, I would suggest you keep this on your film cans and keep it away from putting it on your camera, because this stuff will get gooey and just get on the camera of your body and just make a big mess. It doesn't take long for this gaffing tape to get gooey. This will get kind of sticky as well, but not to the extent of the gaffing tape. Okay? So what I love about Super 8 most of all is that it's quick and fast. So in an area like I'm filming, that's what you need to be. Quick and fast, in and out of the places to get those shots that you need. Okay? So let me show you. If you're in an area where you know you can get some shots, okay, put your case down, have your camera ready, pull it straight out, grab it, and you can go ahead and film those scenes that you need. Okay? Be done. And then pack up and be out of there. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and as remember, always do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!